will limit only to the Gopi's evaluation and also what I found as area for improvement of Vidya. Again, we limited with more of whitewashing stuff. We normally doesn't do it, right? So we limited to our areas of improvement. To start with Gopinath's evaluation, it's a brilliant start he had. Always it is good to start with the correlation of the speaker that he picked up, and he opened with a question what speaker has used. That will give a little kind of prelude for the audience to understand, what exactly the speaker spoke. Those few keywords, we call them as the foundation phrases. He repeated Kant in the few incidences, which will always, not only for the user, not only for the speaker, but also for the everyone as an audience, that will help us to remember the speech little longer when we have the foundational phrases, which the Kant was the major point, which Gopi has used it. When it comes to the improvements for the evaluation of Gopi, two things I have a very categorical evaluation. One is, when you say about some improvement, always we learned it. We just don't say that what is the improvement. It is more about how do I do it. If I say I have to improve, as a speaker, you should keep tab of your timing. The improvement can be such way that little more analysis on that, which I noted already was, you can reduce your initial building up towards the major part of your speech, which you took more than 3-4 minutes to bring to the exact element of it. That's a simple area where the speaker can concentrate on reduce those introduction part and directly get into the 3 key things which you wanted to pride about your house, how you built it. Then if you come to a conclusion with the last 30 seconds of a slide, that will easily fit into the 5 to 7 minute speech. So how to improve is one important thing. As an evaluators, we will do it normally, which could have been told. Number 2, again, I don't even remember what was the number 2 suggestion you were given, because the repeat part, normally we say, tell what you're going to tell what you told, which we learned normally in our CC journeys also. So normally we can take this approach of repeating what the improvement as a speaker she want to do. So that will help us to emphasize, and also audience, if they missed it once, they can easily get those catch words when you are rephrasing it or when you are summarizing it. These are all the 2 suggestions, and the same thing which I noted specifically on the Vidya speech. If I have to add something about, apart from the timing part, maybe you can concentrate on the actual speech itself, Vidya, more than going into the preparation towards the speech, because we had umpteen opportunity to exhibit what struggle you went through when you want to implement the idea of a traditional house and what challenges you faced. So if you can spend more time on elaborating on them rather than the prelude towards your introduction, that will be a great motivational speech, I would call it. You can draft it a little bit, and again, this can be given as a motivational speech. And you had this nice catchy phrase, which is the Kant. Initially, the first 10-30 seconds, I could not relate it. But over a period of time in your speech, it was a brilliant masterstroke, I would say. That is the deciding factor on your speech, how it is related it. That's the overall feedback for me from the master evaluator. Over to you, Emmanuel.
Thank you.